This lecture compares few of the general properties of two of the most commonly used restorative materials in dentistry, dental amalgam and dental composite. Dental amalgam, as we know, is a metallic restorative material which is most suited for the posterior fillings. It is a mixture of silver alloy powder and liquid mercury. Composite, on the other hand, is a mixture of two or more phases. One is the continuous phase of polymer matrix, and second one is the dispersed phase of inorganic filler particles. In terms of aesthetics, dental amalgam is grayish in color, and that is why it is only used in filling the posterior teeth. The grayish color is due to the presence of silver, copper, tin, platinum, palladium, mercury, etc. Whereas on the other hand, the dental composites, they are available in different shades. They match exactly with the tooth structure, and that is why composites are used to fill the anterior teeth. Comparing the cavity design of dental amalgam restoration and dental composite differ a lot from each other. In case of dental amalgam, we have to make a specific cavity design according to the guidelines of the G.V. Black's classification of dental cavities from class 1 to class 6, in which we have to do extension for prevention, in which we remove some of the non-carious tooth structure to avoid the chances of recurrent caries, whereas in case of dental composite, we just remove the carious tooth structure and fill the cavity with the dental composites. Bonding is mechanical in case of the dental amalgam. It is due to the specific cavity design, and we can get extra retention by retentive pins and by retention grooves, whereas in case of dental composite, the bonding is micromechanical, which is achieved by acid etch technique and by applying special dentine bonding agents. The marginal seal of dental amalgam is much more perfect as compared to that of the dental composite. It is due to the production of the corrosion product which seal the cavity margins in case of dental amalgam, whereas in case of dental composite, the marginal seal may get compromised once the polymerization shrinkage start. It may lead to the lodgement of the food particle, and finally the recurrent caries may start. A dental amalgam restoration is much more dimensionally stable as compared to dental composite. It has the ability to withstand the variations of the masticatory forces, the variations of pH, and the temperature changes inside the oral cavity. Whereas dental composite, it has a very big disadvantage of shrinkage after the polymerization reaction, which affects the dimensional stability of a composite restoration. Comparing the property of hardness, which is the resistance of a material to indentation or scratching, the Knoop hardness number of microfilled and hybrid composite is 30 and 90, whereas that of dental amalgam is 100, which clearly shows that amalgam is harder than both of the two types of dental composites. Talking about the compressive strength, which shows the strength of a material under a compressive load, the microfilled and hybrid composites, they have the compressive strength value of 60 and 300 megapascals, whereas dental amalgam is 360 megapascals. Comparing the tensile strength, which is the strength of a material under tension, the microfilled and hybrid composite, they have a tensile strength value of 40 and 50 megapascals, whereas amalgam is 60 megapascals. Keep this thing in mind that amalgam is much more stronger when a compressive force is applied on it as compared to the tensile force. Talking about the elastic modulus, which tells us about the stiffness of a material, the modulus of elasticity of microfilled dental composite, it is 6 gigapascals, whereas that of the hybrid composites, it is 14 gigapascals. Dental amalgam is 5 times more stiff as compared to the microfilled composites, as it has the elastic modulus value of 30 gigapascals. According to the clinical studies on both of these dental restorative materials, well done dental composite restoration, it needs replacement after 7 to 10 years, whereas a well done dental amalgam restoration, it lasts for more than 20 years. So this was a brief lecture comparing few of the general properties of two giants of the conservative dentistry, dental amalgam and dental composite. I hope it was informative and helpful. Thank you very much. Take care.